Here's one to take a look at, just in it unique, especially in classic, and it's a beauty. 1935 Ford Cabriolet Street Rod. Done upright, great look, good build, LS1 powered. That is paired up with a 4L60E. So we have a nice, reliable, modern drivetrain. Automatic with overdrive. Take this one down the highway. Don't be afraid to get in it and go. Nice amenities to it. Power steering, power brakes, AC, and take a look at the chrome and the bright work on this car up front. From the grille to the dual horns, bumper. Just elegant looking. And then of course that red pinstripe highlighting the V8 down the side of that. Setting off those Vintique red spoked wheels. Wide white wall radials. Wow. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can look over this car, underside, interior, engine bay, kind of look over what we talk about as we go around in this video. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Owner of this car is local to us. We've sold vehicles for him before. Very particular owner, and that's a good thing. You're purchasing a hot rod or classic that he has owned. It's going to be in nice shape. A little story I'll tell you about that is this vehicle, since it was built, this top has not been put down. He wanted to keep it up nice and tight and snug, just the way that you see it now. And hey, when you got AC in the interior, why not? So we're going to leave it that way. There'll be no pictures of this one with the top down. We'll leave that to the next owner. Chooses to do so, we'll leave that up to his discretion. Does the top go up and down and fully function and work just as it should? Absolutely. Interior, this is a Weber custom interior out of Alexandria, Minnesota. Not too far from us. And again, look at how just simple and tastefully done, that black and red, highlighting the exterior of this car also. And we're going to get around to the driver's door, open it up, show you some things in there, again, that are just quality and well done. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. This car is riding on a Heinzman chassis, which is out of Phillips, Nebraska. Of course, well-known hot rod shop down there. Do quality work. Had some of their vehicles in here before. Ford 9-inch rear end. Flowmaster dual exhaust on this one. When we get to the inside, you're going to see classic instrument gauges and a tilt column, and I'll show you some other goodies in there. Really make this a fun car to take on some trips, have some fun. Put some miles on it. Once again, still pictures. Check this thing out top to bottom, inside and out. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Rumble seat finished off in the same upholstery as the interior, carrying that black and red theme throughout. Just look at how straight this is, how things fit. Take a look at that door. And obviously you can see the reflection coming off of there, but just the fit all the way around in this car. Now remember, we have an open door policy. You want somebody else to come put their eyes on this, you can't make it to see it yourself. Third-party inspector, feel free to have them come check this one out. Don't have a problem with that anytime here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Now, as far as the interior door panels, continuing that black and red theme. Why not put some luxury amenities in here also? Power seat. It also has heated seats or seat warmers, high and low there, as you can see. Again, I mentioned the tilt column. Here's your exact miles, 7,935. That is on the build and the body itself. The engine and drivetrain had shy of 10,000 a little bit when they were put in. So a little shy of 10,000 drivetrain and tranny. So what, 7,935 on the build and under 18,000 on the drivetrain. Let's put it that way. So let's go ahead and fire this up. I'm gonna let you hear it run. All right, so it's, again, classic instrument gauges. And you can see temp gauge, that was a cold engine start, fuel gauge working, rest of the gauges also working. See the tack also. Now, I want to show you something here too. Looks like an antique radio. That is just kind of a face to make you think it looks vintage. Let's put it that way. If I show you down under the dash, if I can get it right back there, you can see the radio. Now this will control it. We want to turn up some music in here. We can run it from here. And it is a great sounding stereo system, folks. Unbelievable. Here's your controls. AC. Kind of like a vintage air setup. You can hear how nice and smooth this thing runs. And again, just as nice and clean and well done in this interior. Looks fabulous. All right. Anything else that I want to show you in here? Nothing I can really think of. Take a look at the passenger seat, I guess, if you will. Same condition really as the drivers. Both appear to be in very good shape. All right. Slip around to the back, and nothing over the top for exhaust. Yeah, nice rumble coming out of those Flowmasters, but no heavy cam, no low idle, anything like that. Good sounding car. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front. I'm gonna pop one of the sides of the hood up here and let you at least take a peek at the engine bay. Then we're gonna wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Half of the hood open anyway. And you'll be able to see it in the still pictures from the other side also. So just want to kind of give you an idea, let you see it run, let you hear it. Again, LS1 powered, and nice condition, nice clean tidy engine bay, smooth, sounds good. There you go. If you're looking for a beautiful all steel street rod, check this out closer. Ford Cabriolet, nice build. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.